So, dear students, we are going for to solve the problems on the extended surfaces. What is the meaning of the extended surfaces is whenever the engine gets heated or anything is get heated more than the tolerable limit, then we are providing the extended surfaces. The very good example is our IC engine. In the IC engine or in the bikes, you can see surrounding the engine there are fins. So these fins are releasing the energy heat to the surrounding. Thereby the engine will be cool. So extended surface means extra surface provided to give up the heat which is excess in nature, which cannot be tolerated by the material. So that is the purpose of the extended surfaces. So one problem we will take on the extended surfaces. Here is the one problem. We will read the problem first. A ladle is used for frying purpose. A frying purpose everybody knows about in the kitchen. The frying purpose, a ladle is used or some utensils are used. A ladle is used for frying purpose. What is the frying? It is required to heat the oil of 300 degrees centigrade. Means one end of the ladle is in the oil. This end is in the oil. This particular point is in the oil. And the oil temperature is say 300 degrees centigrade. Now, the section of the handle is 5 millimeter into 18 millimeter. So you can see this is the 5 millimeter and 18 millimeter. This is the ladle. This is a long ladle, and the section rectangular cross section 18 millimeter long and 5 millimeter width or height. So 18 into 5, that is the cross section of the ladle. The ladle is assumed to be the for the frying purpose equipment. The surrounding temperature of the air is 30 degrees centigrade. What is the surrounding temperature? The surrounding temperature is 30 degree centigrade. Okay. Now, the thermal conductivity of the fin is 205 watt per meter degree centigrade. This material, the ladle material is made up of some material. They have not specified it, but thermal conductivity is good. That is 205 watt per meter degree centigrade. If the temperature at a distance of 380 millimeter from the oil should not go beyond 40 degrees centigrade, determine the convective heat transfer coefficient. For example, here is the our hand. Here is this particular tip is in the hot oil. This particular tip is in the hot oil. Other end is carried by the some human body. So this human body should not feel the heat. Therefore what is required is at a distance of 300 millimeter, the temperature should not exceed 40 degrees centigrade. What is the purpose of it is, here we are holding the ladle. Because the heat should not cross 40 degrees centigrade means our hand should be safe. Else otherwise if the temperature is very high, we cannot touch the ladle because it is for the frying purpose. One end is in the oil, other end is in the human hand. So human hand should not burn out. Human hand should not get more heat. Therefore, at a distance of 380 millimeter, they have provided that 40 degrees centigrade. So here once again I will read the entire problem. This is a ladle. It is meant for frying purpose. What is the use of that ladle is for the frying purpose. There are two ends. The one end is in the oil. The oil temperature is 300 degrees centigrade. And other end is carried by the human hand. And what is the condition is at a 380 millimeter, the temperature should not exceed 40 degrees centigrade. That is the importance. And convective heat transfer coefficient they have asked. What are the given things is surrounding air temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. Surrounding air temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. And the conductivity of the material by which the ladle is manufactured, that is 205 watt per meter degree centigrade. Okay. What they have asked is determine the convective heat transfer coefficient. So they have not given any indication that which type of fin, but it is a long fin. You can see the ladle is very long, and at a distance they have specified 40 degrees centigrade. Means the fin is a long. Fin is long. What is fin is long? Very long fin. So we have to use the formula which is required for the long fin. That is the importance of this. We have to recognize the problem. There are many cases. This is a long fin case. Means the fin is very long. Single fin. So what is the already we have given t minus t divided by t0 minus t is equal to e raised to minus m into x. This is the equation. What is T? T means the required temperature. The required temperature. Okay. Here that 40 degrees centigrade. Here it is 40 degrees centigrade. We can say this is 40 degree centigrade. Ta means surrounding temperature, that is 30 degrees centigrade. So what is the T0? T0 means the temperature of the oil, that is 300 degrees centigrade. And again the Ta means surrounding temperature, that is 30 degrees centigrade. T minus Ta divided by T0 minus Ta. What is T? The required temperature. What is the required temperature? The temperature should not go beyond 40 degrees. So 40 degree you have to substitute. What is Ta? Surrounding temperature. What is surrounding temperature? It is given 30 degree. What is T0? Means temperature at the one tip, high temperature tip. High temperature tip means 300 degrees centigrade. One end of the ladle is at the other this in the oil. So 300 degrees centigrade. And surrounding air again that is equal to E raised to minus ms. M we don't know, but x we know. What is the x? The distance. This is the x. This is the x. 380 millimeter. But in SI system we have to use in meter only. Therefore 380 millimeter means 0.38. So we can calculate the m. M is equal to 8.673. After calculation, everybody knows about it. M is equal to 8.673. But what is m? However, what is m? M is equal to root of h into p k into area of the cross section. What is h? H means convective heat transfer coefficient. What is p? Perimeter of the cross section. This is the perimeter of the cross section. What is K? K means thermal conductivity. What is ACS? Area of the cross section. So H is asked. That is equal to 8.673. Already we have calculated. Squaring both sides. So we have to remove the root. When you want to remove the root, then HP K into ACS, that is 8.673 square is equal to 75.22. Now what is H? It is asked. This is asked. Then what is P? P means perimeter. Means 18 plus 5 plus again 18 again 5. 18 millimeter plus 5 millimeter plus again 18 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. Twice it will 2 times. 18 comes 2 times, 5 comes 2 times. So it is 0.018. What is 0.018? It is in meter. 0.005. 5 millimeter is represented in SI system. So that is twice. That is perimeter. What is K? K is given 205 watt per meter degree centigrade. Again the area of the cross section. What is the area of the cross section? 18 millimeter into 5 millimeter. That is in the meter. 0.018 into 0.005. The answer of the is convective heat transfer is 30.17 watt per meter square degree centigrade. So that is called as convective heat transfer coefficient. So what is the importance that? What is convective heat transfer? Because the ladle is a solid whereas surrounding is the air. So the solid material is losing the heat to the surrounding air. So that is called as convection. Convection means liquid to liquid, solid to liquid, liquid to gas or gas to gas or gas to liquid or gas to solid likewise. So compulsorily there should be air. So or any other gas or any other liquid. So surrounding, because of the temperature, 300 is the highest temperature, lowest temperature is 30 degree. 270 degree difference is there. Because of that we can have the high 30.17 watt per meter square degree centigrade. This is the convective heat transfer coefficient. One thing we have to remember that you have to recognize the fin. It is a long fin. So whenever it is a long fin, you have to use the formula of the long fin. If it is a short fin, you have to use the formula of the short fin. If it is a short fin insulated, then you have to use the short fin insulated. Likewise, in many cases, you have to recognize and go forward. That is important. So diagram is also, even though the diagram is not asked, only solution is asked, you have to compulsory draw the diagram. That is important. Okay. So this is all about this problem.